What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with my girl Nicole over at Coley Cleans. Feel free to check out her channel right after this video. We both are doing a Sunday reset. Also, I have in store for you guys a haul, so I'm going to include that at the first clip of this video to show you what I'm going to be using in my Sunday reset, and then we'll go ahead and start cleaning and decorating for fall. Just a little bit. By the way, I am doing a 75 soft challenge, so if you're interested, all things building habits, and if you're like, girl, what is that? What are you talking about? I am on a weight loss journey, so this 75 soft challenge is found on TikTok. You can do your own research on 75 hard. It is a spin-off, modified version of that. If that is something you're interested in, feel free to message me over on Instagram. I'll add you into my group, and we can all motivate each other to lose weight or build positive habits. So let's jump right into the video, girl. So right now, before I start cleaning and also showing you guys my haul, I always like to light a candle to get this place smelling so good. This is perfect for fall to put in a vase. I'm not sure if I have a vase here, but we will see. I might have to go back to the thrift store. So I love these little, I don't even know what you call them, pampas sprays. I love these little pampas sprays. They were about 100 or 200 yen a piece. Found some cute pumpkins. These were not cheap at all. Here in Japan, they were 17 bucks. Changed the yen rate to dollar. It probably is around $12 each. I also have another little interior bouquet that I'll add with the pampas sprays. Potpourri. We will be using some potpourri, maybe in the bathroom or the front entrance of the house. And then last but not least, this glass jar that I'll add the potpourri to. That is my fall haul, guys. I was watching this girl here that I follow on YouTube. Her name is Nicole. And she bought one of these baskets. I'm not sure exactly where she got it from. I don't remember. But I found this at our Daiso, which is a dollar store here. But it wasn't $1. It was $3 basically for this wooden basket. I'm going to use this in the bathroom. All leaves. I'm not sure if I'll use these in my home or in my school because I am a teacher. I teach kindergarten. And then, of course, they already had out some holiday stickers for like the wall and for doors. I picked these up at this store called Nitori, which is just like IKEA if you're in America. We also have an IKEA in Japan, but it's in another part of Japan that I cannot get to. So once I saw this, I had to grab it. If you enjoyed this part of the video, now on to decorating and cleaning for this Sunday reset.
Chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stop for me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. When you're loving me, I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it
Alright guys, so this is what my shelf ended up looking like. Just really simple for fall. So I ended up adding this big plant that already has some acorns in it. Let me see if I can find more acorns. So we have this big, small pattern going on here. So now it's time to fold some laundry. So here we go. Alright guys, now that the front of the house is all clean, I put the shoes in the gangkong, which is just a Japanese shoe closet that can hide all of your shoes so that the front entrance of your house looks really nice. So all the shoes are in there, in here, and then we also have shoes up there. So I went ahead and cleaned the dog's area as well as the stairs, as you guys can see. All clean. Alright, so now it's time to wipe down this surface and decorate it for fall. A lot of people are doing Vlogtober. Comment down below and let me know if you are also. I would love to check out your video and see your intro. This year I want to do Vlogtober, but I want to do it a lot differently than I have in the past. I want to focus more so on fitness, maybe uploading weekly. Usually I upload once a week, but maybe with Vlogtober I can do 3 times. We'll see. But let me know if you are doing Vlogtober. If you're new here and you don't know what Vlogtober is, it just means that you vlog every day in October up until Halloween. Cleaning wipes to wipe down the surfaces. And it really needed it, right?
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, there are nothing for us. I like it all, but you're on top. Be one of the things I we don't have to move.
Alright, so simple and decorated for fall. And then all I'm missing here is like a little welcome sign. I should have bought it yesterday when I seen it, but I left it at the store. So I will go back and get that, y'all, because the wall is looking kind of bare. So
you might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too.
alright guys, so yesterday was Saturday and I went grocery shopping, so I don't need to do that today for my Sunday reset video. My fridge is fully stocked for the next 5 days, I would say. So today I will be showing you my meal prep. So in the air fryer, I'm going to go ahead and cook this chicken. These are chicken thighs that are already seasoned. And then I'll season the drumettes as well as these chicken thighs with my own seasoning. And let's get started on chopping a lot of vegetables as well, because the diet that I'm doing on my 75 soft is actually a flexitarian diet. So I eat vegan twice a week. This foil is specially made for the frying foods, and I'm going to add it to my air fryer and add the chicken right here. It doesn't burn or crinkle or anything, so this is something new that's in Japan.
I feel it too. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too.
Alright, so this is a life hack for the air fryer. You can cook multiple things in the air fryer at the same time. This chicken is almost done, and then I just added this one because it's separated by foil. So you can also do this with vegetables as well. So I hope that tip helped you guys out with your air fryer.
We gon' make it be just stay in there, stay in the morning, stay in the morning with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me.
Chicken is done. We have barbecue on this side and then fried chicken from the air fryer on the other side. And now I'm just meal prepping the asparagus for the week. I also have frozen asparagus. You'll see that in my grocery haul coming up here soon. And then I have all our carrots so that the kids or me or whoever can just pick it up and just eat it raw or put it in a dish. Also cucumbers for salad is going to be ready. This can easily be thrown into a pizza or a stir fry, and then I have to add some mayo and relish to the crab meat, which is not imitation crab meat, to the fresh crab meat, and that can be used for a wrap. Right here I added some more chicken, and then my asparagus just finished cooking, so I'm gonna take that out and let the chicken finish cooking. And I'm almost done with this Sunday meal prep as a reset. Final meal prep. We have asparagus, carrots. I'm about to make my overnight oats. I have crab meat that I can just put in a wrap, cucumbers, lots of veggies that you saw me cut, mushrooms. I'm also cooking mushrooms right now. Chicken, 2 different types, and 1 more type is in the air fryer right now. I have eggs boiling for the next 2 days, and then I'll do this again on Tuesday. And then I have some mushrooms cooking right now because I'm getting hungry. So on top of meal prep, I had to make the kids dinner. So they eat totally different from each other. So Jordan requested pasta with sauce. I have to add the sauce. She's eating some raw veggies and steak. Adam does not eat steak or raw pepper. Right? So for Adam, he's gonna eat asparagus, bacon, grilled cheese, and raw carrots. So meal prep done, dinner done. Now time to put it in the fridge, and I am finished. Video, don't forget to check out Nicole over at Coley Cleans to see how she ended her Sunday reset. I did a lot today. I'm exhausted just from chopping, cooking, cleaning. Of course, every Sunday we wash our bedding, but I already have footage or a Sunday reset video showing all of that. Most Sundays I do the same thing, but this Sunday I wanted to incorporate meal prep because of this 75 soft challenge, y'all. So if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So this 75 soft challenge, I'm on day 9 and I have been doing great. Last week was my first week of 75 soft and I did not meal prep. So I was like reaching for things in the fridge, healthy, sometimes not as healthy. But hey, I made it through week 1 and now it's week 2 and I'm on my game. So thanks for stopping by my channel. If you like fitness, lifestyle, and vlog type content, feel free to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.
In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could